zucchini, herbs, spinach, mushrooms, tomato sauce, fettuccine, 3 cheeses, ricotta, mozzarella, Parmesan. What are we making? A little lazy lasagna, veggie style. Slice up your mushrooms. And I like to use a grater or a zester on my zucchini. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let it get hot. Saute your mushrooms. We're going to saute our spinach, chop it up. And then slice your zucchini in half. And we're going to saute those. Salt and pepper. And let them cook down until everything's nice and soft. Okay? This is super easy, you guys. The reason we're not using onions and garlic is because it's in the tomato sauce already. All right? So once this cooks down and gets nice and soft, we're going to add our tomato sauce. And let that get a little happy together. And then we're gonna add It's Skinny fettuccine, toss, get it all incorporated nice. Add your ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, mix it really well. And then once this cooks for about 3 minutes, add your mozzarella cheese on top. Have your broiler ready to go because it will broil in no time. Put it in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending upon your oven. I'm chopping some more herbs for the top, of course. And then you're gonna get it just like that, golden brown on top, more herbs. Put it in a bowl, enjoy. I mean, you guys, it's simple, it's healthy. Gotta have a little cheese, try it.